Hey guys, welcome back to Dawn Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're off a brand new benchmark. There's a Persona 5 Royal for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. They're running with 16GB DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and was definitely shocked that this ran right off the box. Straight off, man, it just runs really well. Always appreciated when it runs right off the box. Wonder if Bayonetta 3 will be the same. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This one I actually will test on the Intel HDs and the Iris. I'm curious to see how they'll run these games as well, because this is running really well right off the bat, like really well. Like, I haven't played this before, so the shaders and everything, I mean, it is it's a game that was on PS3, so I would imagine, but PS3 emulation is much harder for Persona 5 than it is right now that I'm seeing this. This is running really well.
Take him down, Joker.
Like, really well. Also, I can't believe I just let that song play out. What am I, an idiot? I'm gonna... crap. I don't... No, I can't. I don't know if that's copyright. I can't remember. Hey, what was going on? Are we having an issue here with the screen? It seems we're having an issue here with the screen. I feel like I've tested this before, but I legitimately can't remember if it was on the RPCS3, but I legitimately can't remember if that was copyrighted or not. So I just mute it. Problem solved. But anyway, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just going to mute myself, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay.